Hello, it's time for the mystery bag. Your job is to listen to my description and work out what is in the bag. I'm going to use the first sound of the word, the initial sound, and you have to guess what's in the bag. I'll give you some clues as well and tell you what it's not, but you have to work it out. Then we're going to have a go at writing those words, just so you can see me writing those words and how I write them. So there's 6 things in my mystery bag today. Some have the same sound and some have different sounds. I'll give you an example of a sound so you know what a sound is. My name is Simon. The initial sound in my word, if I sound it out, it starts with a S. Simon. S. Simon. You see my mouth? S. Other things that start with a S are snake, sun, Saturday. They all start with S. And then we've got B. What's B's initial sound? B, 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 B. And Angie. What's Angie's initial sound? A, 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 Angie. Good. So, let's see what's in my bag. What's in my bag? What's in my bag? What's in the mystery bag? The first thing, the initial sound is a F. F. Can you go F? What can it be? F. Oh, is it a fish? It's not a fish. Oh, I can kick it. Is it a football? No, it's not a football. Oh, we've been doing some of these this week, and we will be doing some of these this week. This is something that grows. Tree. No, that doesn't start with a F sound. That's a T, 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 tree. Finger. No, not a finger. It's a F. Well, I'll sound out the word. F, L, ow, F, L, ow, What is it? Flower. There it is. It's a flower. Did you guess it? Did you guess flower? Well done. Put that there. We'll have it right in a minute. The next one. Oh, it's a bit round. It's a oh. It's in my circle on my mouth. Oh, can you say oh? Can you think of things that start with a oh? Octopus. No, it's not an octopus. Otter. It's not an otter. It's not an animal. What could it be? Oh, it smells nice. Bit soft. I think I could eat it. What is it? It's an orange. Orange. It's an orange. Very good. So we had a flower and an orange. What else is in the bag? Oh, this is a person. This is the person's name. It starts with a P, P, P. Can you say P, P? What starts with a P, P, P? Oh, I know. There's this. It's a P, P. Penguin. No, it's not a penguin. P, P, P. Is it a pencil? No. P, 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 P. Pen? No. P, P, P. Is it P, P, pointy? No, definitely not pointy. They're pink. Oh, pink starts with a P as well. P, P, P. Pink. Who's P, P, pink? lives in a wood, has a curly tail. Piglet. 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 It is Piglet. Hello. Piglet. Hello. Piglet. Good. What else have we got? That's 3 things. We've got 3 more to go. There's 2 more things that also start with a P. We're doing a lot of P today. We've had Piglet. This is Piglet's friend. Piglet and only 2 sounds. Ooh. 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 He's a bear. He's yellow. And he wears a red waistcoat. Ooh. It is Boo. We've got Piglet and Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Very good. Pooh and Piglet. 2 more to go. Another P now. Piglet. Pooh. Who's this? This is not one of their friends. Doesn't know this person. This animal. It's another animal. And it lives not in England. We don't have them here. You might see them in the zoo, but we don't have them here. It's got a black and white face. A skunk. No. A penguin. No. It's a bit like Pooh. It's a bear. Let's sound it out. P-a-n-d-a. P-a-n-d-a. It's a panda. Panda. It's a panda bear. So we've had Piglet, Pooh, panda. What's in my bag? What's in my bag? What's in my mystery bag? Last one. This is also round. It's like the orange that we had. It's a lot bigger than the orange. It's much bigger. There it is. What is it? Is it a tennis ball? No. What does it start with, Simon? It starts with a g, g, g. A grape. No, grapes are small, but it's a bit similar name to grape, but it's bigger. And I really like them. It's my favourite fruit. And you can have it as juice, and it's yellow. It's a grapefruit. An orange and a grapefruit. I love the smell of grapefruits. Very nice. So let's see what we had. So here's all our things right here. Move Piglet and Pooh down a bit. There we are, all our things. Let's write the names. Let's zoom in. So flower. So flower. This is a ow. And there's a f for flower. Next, we have our grapefruit. We're writing g for grapefruit. A fruit. Grapefruit. And there's a g for grapefruit. Next, we have our lovely panda. So we're going to write a p for panda. P a n d a. Panda. Now this is our p there. So it should be the same p for Pooh. There's Pooh. And look, you can see his name on his t-shirt. Pooh. So I'm going to write Pooh, and that's his name, nice capital P. Ooh. Pooh, so there's the P for Pooh, and the P for panda, and then the P for piglet. 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 P for piglet. P for poo. And P for panda. And the last one we've got is the orange. O, R, and J. O for orange. O for orange. F for flower. G for grapefruit. And then P for panda. P for piglet. And P for poo. And there you have it. Well done, everybody. Can you think of the starting sounds, the initial sounds in words? Make your own mystery bag up. Put 4 or 5 things in the mystery bag and see if you can work out the initial sounds. Play it with your mum or dad. That'd be great. See you later. Bye-bye.